everybody, welcome back to my channel. Rog here, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Today I'm going to be cooking baked potatoes, but it's baked potatoes with a difference, because these baked potatoes I'm going to do in my air fryer. Now, most people have got an air fryer. If you haven't, do it in the oven. But this is a simple way to do it, so tasty, really is. Now, please stay tuned to follow this recipe.
To end up with these delicious baked potatoes, fluffy on the inside, crispy on the outside. First we're going to give them a nice wash under a running tap and carefully pat them dry. This is a very important part of our recipe. Then we're going to cover these in some cooking oil, or olive oil, or vegetable oil, any sort of oil you want. So after we've done this all over, we'll add our seasoning. We're going to need some pepper. This is freshly cracked black pepper. And as you can see, it's going to stick on the oil that's on the potato skins there. And then some sea salt. Grind that on. Now, here's my air fryer. It's a Tefal Actifry. I've taken out the paddle that's inside, because for this potato recipe we won't be needing that paddle. Place our potatoes in there, close the lid and start it. There aren't any settings on this one, it's a basic air fryer. Still does a good job though. Halfway through we're going to give these potatoes a turn. Now I find that cooking potatoes of this size, about 30 minutes to 40 minutes is fine. Much faster than a conventional oven. In they go for the second half, and there we have it. Starting to look good already. We'll just give these the skewer test. That's nice and soft. So yeah, that's cooked. Now we can take these out. So now I'm going to get these potatoes ready to eat. I'm going to cut across in each potato like this. Then inside that cross I'm going to add some butter. Lovely fresh creamy butter. Now you can add butter, you can add cheese, you can add cheese and bacon, you can add cheese, bacon and butter. You can put in there whatever you want, just to dress it up and fancy it and make it much more tasty. There we are. Don't they look delicious? Really scrummy. Well, the butter's oozing out there. Oh, this is my tea.
Amazing! How can a baked potato be amazing? Well, trust me guys, it really is. Please try this recipe for yourself, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Now if you've enjoyed this video, and I do hope that you have, please consider subscribing to my channel to see all my future videos and all the ones that I've done in the past before. Okay, thanks for watching and bye.